Hi there, I'm Tony with Nature Pacific Pest Services out here in downtown Santa Rosa. Today we're going to be discussing a few problems that this complex is having due to a couple issues with moisture. Starting over here, we have downspouts with no drainage, so all the water is able to pool up against the side of the house, which creates a compromised wood, which in turn brings termites in. So if you see right here, you have some moss growth occurring right here. That's from excessive moisture. Another thing we have going on here is the shingles are getting weathered. Something that people overlook sometimes is not keeping maintenance on these shingles. Doing stain coats every 1 to 2 years, depending on how much sun is affecting the structure, is really important, as well as keeping up with caulking. You'll see the caulking's breaking down. These are all things that can lead to water entering behind or in cracks of the wood. We have some dry rot occurring from water and moisture. Another thing that's conducive to allow termites to come in and eat it as food as it's become soft. Moving over here, you got some decorative beams up at the peaks of these roofs. They're sticking out past the soffits, which is allowing moisture to collect on top. If they're not flashed properly, this can lead to the tops getting weakened. Moving over here, we located some drywood termite pellets. So we removed the wood, we treated topically on the wood members that were accessible, and then drilled in and injected termiticide foam. This allows the foam to fill up the galleries, move through the wood where they pass constantly. As they are social insects, the idea is they'll pass this along each other. Normally we would fumigate for drywood termites. However, this is constricted to one location, so we did offer a localized treatment based off the request of the owners. Now what we're doing is we're weatherproofing the corners. You can see there was no weatherproofing on the structure before, so all that water that's getting behind the wood with no caulking is able to run down, soften the wood members, and allow termites to enter. So once we weatherproof it, we'll put some new trim on, we'll caulk all the seams and get it prepped for paint. All of our cuts will be primed. This will help protect it.